Hi, I'm champion trader Kevin Davey, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about futures trading and finding out if it's right for you. So let's get started. So you've probably heard about futures trading. Is it right for you? Should you do it? Well, that becomes kind of a personal decision, but I'm going to give you some tips and give you some information that'll help you make a better decision. Go to the description, click on the link, you'll see a long article on the subject, but today, in this video, I'm just going to talk about one specific part of futures trading, and that's how you trade. And when it comes down to it, there's really two different ways to trade futures. One is what I call discretionary trading, and the second is what I call algo trading. So let's talk about each one of those. Discretionary trading would be pulling up a chart of whatever you're trading and trying to make buy and sell decisions based on that chart. So it might mean you sticking in front of the screen for hours upon hours a day looking for the perfect setup, a higher high, a lower low, whatever you're looking for, and then executing once you see it. But you're using a lot of your intuition and your feelings on it. Oh, hey, it looks like this stock is getting a little slow. It looks like this futures market's getting a little slow, so I'm going to go short. That's what discretionary trading is. It's commonly referred to as chart trading, screen trading. A lot of people do it. It's tricky. Personally, I was never able to be successful doing it. I would try, and it seemed like every time I should buy, the market went down, and vice versa. I started doing what I call algo trading. And you might have heard of algo trading as system trading, mechanical trading, rule-based trading. It's all kind of the same thing. What it is a set of rules that you program into your trading platform that tell you when to buy and sell. The benefit to doing this is you can then historically test those rules. Hey, did buying a higher high with something else added to it work the last 10 years? If it didn't, you probably won't want to trade it, right? But if it did work, well, there's a possibility that could be something that could be part of a good algo. So the algos make all the decisions for you. The tough part about this is you have to give up control to the computer. You can't overrule it and say, well, the algo says to go long, but I'm kind of scared, so I'm just going to stay out, because that just defeats the purpose of the algo. Algos work best when they're properly developed, when they're properly tested, and then you let them properly execute without you interfering. So when you look at futures trading, think about how you want to trade. Does algo trading sound interesting? For me, that's the only way to go. But other people like the discretionary part of it. And they like discretionary trading where they get to think about what they see in the markets and they get to make their own decisions. But either way, that's one of the two major categories. So if you're going to futures trade, look into both of those, decide what you want to do, and then pursue that before you start trading. As I said, take a look in the description, click on the link, you'll get a lot more information on if futures trading is even right for you. If you like this video, please leave a comment, please subscribe to my channel, and hit the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. Have a great day.